Food is the oldest type of culture and now it contributes around 20% of the global GDP. That's why at some extent we all can agree that Zomato is a part of our life to an extent that whenever we crave some lip-smackingly tasty food, we all turn to Zomato. It is one of the largest food discovery platform in the world, but it has rewired itself from a food review website which was originally called Foodie Way into what we know as Zomato with the mission of providing better food for more people. We all know that the number of food delivery apps has increased 10 times the count in last 4 years. So what has led Zomato garner half of the market share at this point? According to Dipendra sir, people think that Zomato will be a $50 billion company in the 5 years. So this is a complete case study about Zomato, but we will also learn what is the future of food industry and Zomato. Along with that, we will dig a bit deeper into the strategies and techniques that made Zomato big and popular. So let's dive in. Number first, reinventing reviews. I believe while ordering your food, you must be heavily dependent upon the rating and reviews of the restaurant for the obvious reason of quality assurance. And of course, a restaurant with rating of 4.5 will be far better than the another restaurant with rating of 3.5. Since it has a vast network of rating and reviews for its customers, which make it undoubtedly the best food ordering website. But how do Zomato get so many reviews from its customers despite the fact that reviewing your order is too boring, even it requires so much efforts, and also reading the review is too long for its customers? In order to solve this problem, the engineers of Zomato came up with one of the brilliant ways. They worked on multiple strategies and by training machine learning model, they came up with what they call Review 2.0. So basically, when you are adding a review of, let's say, what do people say about this place, the auto-generated system then displays some tags, and can you even imagine you have just read thousands of reviews at a glance? This is definitely a breakthrough and an example of what technology can do. Zomato has the tremendous growth aided by promotional marketing spends to acquire new users and be the first to market their services in many cities in India, and by being first in the market gives them a distinct competitive advantage in the food delivery sector. Number second, trustworthy reviews. Do you know the rating algorithm of Zomato is its most precious intellectual property? Even the small team who knows about it is bound by the non-disclosure agreement. So what's in it? Let me explain. The rating algorithm of Zomato helps it weed out the fake reviews, bad actors, just to ensure the trustworthiness and genuinity of its reviews. The rating system works independently without any compromise, and that is the reason, that is what makes it stand out in a crowd of competitors. The deep tech behind estimating the food preparation time. Whenever you order food from the app, one question always pops up in your head, that when will my food arrive? But have you ever thought that how a system can predict the time of preparation with such accuracy? And the role of estimating the preparation time is very important, because predicting the higher time than the actual time can actually worsen the overall customer experience, and also predicting the lower time than the actual time can increase the inflow of customer support. Well, there is an entire system that comes into a picture whenever you place your order on the app, and with the help of data science and reinforcement learning, your delivery comes at your doorstep at the estimated time. Isn't great engineering? 3. Winning marketing strategy. Marketing is all about planning and strategies to achieve a goal. And always remember to plan well before you even start your journey. And keep the carpenter and tailor's rule in mind, that measure twice what cut once. It uses many marketing strategies in a systematic and planned manner. And one of the most fascinating marketing strategy is first to market. Now this is the strategy where first mover gets competitive advantage due to no competition in the market and able to establish a significant brand recognition. Let's understand this with an example. In Kolhapur, 70% of the regular users of Zomato had never used any food delivery system, not even a phone call, to place an order. And Zomato was the first food delivery experience to those regular users of Zomato. So, if you are planning to starting out something, you can also use this method in your domain to occupy a significant market segment. And who knows, you will find another collabor. Another brilliant marketing strategy of Zomato is promotional marketing. You must understand that good marketing makes the company smart and great marketing makes the customers feel smart. And this is the essence of promotional marketing. This marketing strategy has helped Zomato to see a tremendous growth and acquire new customers. Now, you must also agree that ignoring the online marketing is like opening up a business and not telling to others. The winning strategy of Zomato is straight to the point and it's witty. It usually leverages the power of online marketing with the help of social media. Let's understand this with an example. This witty and frivolous tweet, which asks the users to order less and eat more at home, went viral. So basically, what Zomato teaches us with its marketing strategy is that with social media presence of your brand, you can actually reach out to more people without investing a good amount. What is the future of food and what you can learn from it? Across the world, it has been observed that restaurants are gaining the share of home cooking, and in the United States, people are spending so much money as they are spending on the groceries. But no one is concerned about the quality of ingredients that are going into their meal and that are being served at the restaurant. Food industry is so unregulated that we might be eating harmful chemicals that could lead to increased number of diseases. So the next big step should be creating a food supply chain which is hyper pure, and this pandemic has proved that this is the next big thing. So any entrepreneur who's watching this, you can give it a thought. So this is all from my side, guys. If you find this video informational, then make sure to hit the like button and also help me to grow this community by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Until then, bye bye.